everybody, it's Kelly and Kelly's Simple Adventure. We had to get out of the house. We just had to get out, and now we're here at Papa Kitchen, one of our favorite places. It's also one of the places we can have lunch outside by the ocean right there. It's moving very fast.
Yeah. I already choose mine.
Okay. We are at Lily's Bar and Restaurant, and the prices. These are the prices. Can I borrow this?
Borrow si Daddy.
Okay, look. So we're looking at.
Wash your hand.
Let's look at the prices here.
Very good.
Okay, so the prices here, like appetizers. I'm not going to try to pronounce some of these because I can't. There's soups, 285 pesos, about $5. The main course meals, they run about $8 a meal. And they have a whole list of different things here. We made a loud noise. Oh.
Uy, quiet.
Mommy's hollering at us. Again? It all ran out. Oh, you tickling me? Tickle, 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 tickle. I get very bored and I get cabin fever. I gotta get out of the house at least once a week. You just get out of the way and go somewhere and do something, get some fresh air. That's why we came here today. But you know what I did do is we left today, we went and washed the van. And then we realized when we were sitting and getting our van washed.
It's new?
No, that's no.
All.
Then we realized that we had left my bag where we got my money, driver's license, my passport. All of that was in my bag, and we left it outside the door at the apartment. But luckily we had the gates locked up, so when we got back there, as quick as possible, it was still there. Smile pretty for Daddy. Go. Okay, smile pretty. Liam, smile pretty.
Full tummy, arm.
You have full tummy because of my arm? You ate my whole arm? What am I supposed to do? You're a weird child. You see what you did?
It's just only a happy boy.
It's a happy little boy.
No.
Liam, are you hungry? Yeah, I am hungry too. What are you going to have to eat? You having chicken fingers? Those are good, huh? What's a chicken say? Oh, oh, okay. Okay, so what are those? The big dinosaurs, the big teeth, and the little big arms. What are those called? Are those T-Rex? Oh. T-Rex, yeah. What about the ones that fly in the sky? What about those called? Pterodactyls?
Yeah.
Oh, do they have big wings?
Yeah.
Wow.
How about the long neck?
What about the long neck? What's it called? Just a moment. There you go. Okay. Here's a favorite place for swimming is over here. If I can zoom in. See, the kids like to swim here. They jump off the bridge. Even during a pandemic, you can't stop the kids. But we're at Papa Kit's. This is where they do this is the outdoor restaurant. take a walk around here. Of course, you can go swimming here. You got a kiddie pool there for kids. They have an actual there's a sea pool, but as you can see, it's empty.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have today is we got liam, and we got some looks like mayonnaise for dip, ketchup, and you got fried chicken fingers. Yummy yum, yummy yum. Fried chicken. It's hot. Oh, okay. Well, blow. Remember how to blow on it? You blow on it. Okay. Yeah. Then this is called. What's this called, hon?
Bulalo.
Whoa! I got some corn in mine. This is one of your favorite dishes, isn't it?
Yeah.
We haven't been here since our anniversary or Mother's Day. And they got
Mother's Day, we're
rice,
celebrating in our
iced tea. I got tuna sandwich,
Oh my god.
and I actually got an extra one here because I figured that they wouldn't be that big, but it looks like it's quite a bit of chicken there. I don't think he's gonna be able to eat all that. Want to go climb that real high? You're a good climber.
You want to climb there? Not allowed ba man ang baby?
Hold on.
Yeah,
Yeah,
not
you-
allowed ang baby. Ma-fall down ang baby.
Got some peacocks.
Human kanang kuan.
Bini ka, kuha para makuha kita. Doon mo! Doon mo, kamay!
Where? Ay, there. They get the screen. Call the monkey na monkey. Monkey! Please yung Tintin.
Yeah, he's in there hiding. He's in the corner. He's way in there. Really can't even zoom in on him. Right there in the corner.
So cute.
Hi, bird.
Hi, dear.
Hi, bird. Cute. Looks like eagle, no?
Yeah. Pretty yellow eyes.
Yeah, the other one. It's in the cup.
You want him to go fishing?
Yo,
Okay.
try it pa.
You want to go fishing, Liam?
No man kuan for the kids here. That's for adult. You wanna try? You
Okay.
wanna try climb? There ba? You wanna try climb? I'm a fall down. I'm a fall down.
He's probably as big as my hand.
Many of fish there. Oh,
He's about as big as my hand.
yeah. Nice man there kay deep.
You're getting him in the hiding place. Help me, come here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow, ready, Liam?
Okay.
Here we go.
Yay! We catch fish. Yay!
Oh, he's
Oh
off.
my god!
He got off. Oh no.
Oh no! Liam, oh si Liam no sleep. He keep on feeding a fish, the small fish here, the small fish. There's a lot of fish there. They're catching maybe 4 fish.
Something like that for it.
Yeah, and us whenever. I see you. I see you. And we get one, please. I think.
Got one. Got one, honey.
Yeah, I'm already recording. It's
yeah,
alone.
got it.
Yay! We get it!
Whoa, we got one, Liam.
Yay!
Look at there, Liam. Okay.
Ay!
Here we go.
Dali, dali. Hold it there. Yeah, second catch
Okay,
is still
number 2.
small.
It's smaller, yeah.
That's okay. At least we get it.
Let's get away from the water. Man, he's a lively one.
Yeah.
Okay. I got you. That's a good, you got a good hit too.
Yeah.
You want to stop there? Or you want to try for one more?
One more. You're tired? Uy.
No, I'm okay.
Smaller.
Smaller, but he was a bigger fighter.
Yeah. 2 na among get na fish. Supposedly it's already 3, but
One got
no,
away.
still 2 because the one got away.
Okay, so we went fishing,
Yes, enjoy.
and hi Liam.
We get milk.
Did you see fish? Daddy and Liam fish? We got how many fish? Do you remember? How many fish? 2 fish, that's right. And so if you catch fish here, if you want to go fishing cost for a fishing pole is 100 pesos. And then if you catch any fish, it's 200.
The kilo is 2.2 pounds is 250.
So about $5.
Yeah.
So about $5 for 4 pounds?
2.2 pounds.
2.2 pounds? Yeah, so it's kind of expensive, but it was fun to watch.
Yeah, it's fun.
Liam enjoy catching the fish.
Keep on feeding.
And I caught 2 fish. Just so everybody know, I caught 2.
Yeah, but the big one.
I gave her the pole, and she's like, she got a bite, and then she's like, here. Didn't like that, huh?
Yeah, but he get 2 fish, and he also changed 2 fishing
rod. Yeah.
rod.
Yeah. 2 times I got a hit so hard that the pole bent and the line snapped. So it's a thin line. It's not made for anything over maybe a couple pounds, 5 pounds at the most. So they were snapping the line real fast. It happened twice. So
Yeah.
we didn't do the horses because as soon as Liam seen a horse, I asked if he wanted to ride, and he said no, fall down. So he's worried about falling off it. So I'm not going to waste the money to go riding horses, which you can ride horses here. I think we drive by them when we go out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to head home now and clean ourselves up and get some showers. So I'm Kelly.
I'm Ann. Oops.
I'm Kelly.
I'm Ann.
We'll see you in our next Philippine adventure.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.